Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to change wallpaper in Xiaomi 11i and 11i Hypercharge smartphones. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to tap and hold on the home screen. It will open the pop-up. So the first icon called wallpaper, you need to click that. Now it will automatically redirect it into the wallpaper store of the Xiaomi. So you can find the thousands of wallpapers here. You can choose any wallpaper from the list. Also there is a top option available. You can click that. You can find the top downloaded. Also you can find the new collections. So this one is looking good. If you want to set this wallpaper, you need to click apply. Then you can choose lock screen or home screen or set both. I will choose set as home screen. Now the wallpaper will applied into the home screen. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.